Hello, and welcome back to another Google AdMob tutorial. In part 1 of our collapsible banner series, we gave an overview of the format, talked about some benefits, and took a look at a case study. In part 2, we're going to dive deeper into implementations and answer some of your most frequently asked questions. If you missed part 1 of the collapsible banner series, please see the link in the description below. As a refresher, collapsible banners are an innovative ad format designed to enhance your ad revenue. The ad format starts by occupying half of the user screen for maximum visibility, and with a tap on the Minimize button, they collapse into a standard-sized banner. Now let's dive into how you can implement collapsible banner. Collapsible banners can be upgraded from either existing anchored, adaptive, or standard banners or new banners. To upgrade an existing banner to a collapsible banner, first choose the ad unit that you would like to upgrade. Note that collapsible banners can only be anchored to either the top or the bottom of the screen, but not both. When requesting a collapsible banner ad, you should request the same size as your standard collapsible banner state. Google Ad Manager or AdMob will handle the expanded size automatically. Next, include an additional parameter in your ad request. Here's some sample code for a top anchor collapsible banner for Android and iOS. The additional parameters are circled in yellow. And here is the same sample code if you're using Unity. As a note, to implement a collapsible banner from scratch, start off by creating a standard ad banner unit first, and then add the additional parameter to your ad request. When implemented, collapsible banner will only show one impression per session by default. For apps with auto refresh, you can have collapsible banners call as the first impression during one app session. For example, when the app is opened, subsequent refreshes in that slot will show a regular sized banner. To do this, pass a UUID as a collapsible request ID to the ad request. To load another collapsible banner ad later in the session, you will need to manually code to request more than once. Call load ad manually with the collapsible parameter. Auto refresh will also need to be turned off for collapsible banners. In your AdMob account, navigate to Apps in your sidebar and select your app. Find the ad unit you are using for collapsible banner and adjust the auto refresh rate. For more details, please refer to the developer guide links included in the description. Here are a few additional things to note. Collapsible banner ads require iOS SDK version 7.35.2 or newer to use this feature, and landscape mode is also currently not yet supported. You can refer to the Collapsible Banner Ads developer guide links in the description below for more detailed guidance on implementation of collapsible banners. Ready to test collapsible banners? There are two ways you can evaluate the format: using Google-provided demo ad units or using Firebase. The first method would be experiment using Google-provided demo ad units for iOS and Android. This is the quickest way to enable testing, and since it is not associated with your AdMob account, you can experiment with demo ad units as much as you'd like. The second method would be to use Firebase. Using Firebase, you will be able to control the percentage of your app users for the test. These users will then be assigned either to the control group or the test group. Only the test group will see the collapsible banner ads. After the test period, you will be able to evaluate the result looking at your ad revenue and user retention. Click the link in the description for more information on testing using Firebase. Now, let's move on to some frequently asked questions. How often should my apps request collapsible banner ads? Refreshing collapsible banner ads too frequently might lead to a frustrating user experience. For the best user experience, It is recommended that the app only requests a collapsible banner ad every 3 to 5 minutes. You may use lower refresh rates depending on your app, and it is always recommended to run A/B tests to find the frequency that is best suited for your users. Where should I implement collapsible banner ads? Collapsible banner ads should be placed where the expanded banner will not interfere with an active user experience. Choose strategic moments that will not impact your user experience. You may consider moments such as your content loading page, game level completion pages, or page transitions. There are many more moments you can explore depending on your app using journey. Try experimenting. Can collapsible banners cause an overlapping content violation? If implemented correctly, collapsible banners should not cause an overlapping content violation. You can refer to the links in the description for additional guidance on banner implementation best practices. And that concludes the second video of our collapsible banner series. But before you go, please check out the description box below for more resources to help you get started with collapsible banners. And be sure to subscribe to the Google AdMob channel for more best practices and tips on how you can grow your app further. Happy coding and see you next time.